Hey everyone, so this is going to be a quick video on how to paint stencils onto models, mostly because I keep forgetting how to do it and I need a reference. So what it lets you do is have some image and paint that texture onto the model. So what I did is I found a royalty-free image on the internet, and then I downloaded that image, downloaded it to this folder, and then I did some work in GIMP to make it gray instead of brown. So what you need to do first is create a texture for it. When we're in the texture paint view and paint over here, on the right hand side you have this panel of bars. At the bottom is the texture thing, and what we'll do is create a new one. So now we've created a new texture. And what you'll want to do is go into the image tab, set the image to the new image. So this little button here, open image. This dialog pops up, click brown, open. Now we have a texture. What you do now is on the left hand side of your texture painting, you'll go up to your brushes and you will add a new brush and then select your new brush and you can name it whatever you want. I'll call it stencil brown. You can change these modes to get different effects, but what you'll be looking for is under texture, and you'll select your newly loaded image. So in this case, it selected it for me, the brown one. And we set the stencil. And once we've done that, we now should have the stencil over here to paint with. You can also paint over here.